Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about on real-time document editing in a cloud-based VDRs. Benefit of using real-time document editing in a cloud-based VDRs. Real-time document editing offers a number of benefits for businesses, including increased collaboration. Real-time document editing makes it easy for remote teams and third parties to collaborate on documents. This can speed up the document review process and improve the quality of the final product and reduce errors. Real-time document editing can help to reduce error by allowing multiple users to review and edit the document at the same time. Improve communication. Real-time document editing can help to improve the communications between users by allowing them to see each other's changes to the documents and to chat with each other while they are working. How to use a real-time document editing in a cloud-based video. To use real-time document editing in a cloud-based video, you will need to open the document in the video, click on the real-time document editing feature, invite the user that you want to collaborate with to the document, start editing the document. As you edit the document, the change will be saved in the real time and other user will be able to see your changes. You will also be able to see the changes that the other user are making to the document. Additional tips for using real-time documents editing in a cloud-based VDRs. Here are the few additional tips for using real-time documents editing in the cloud-based VDRs. Use a video that offers a good time real-time document editing experience. Some VDRs offer better real-time document editing experience than others. Look for a video that offers a feature such as low latency and change tracking. Use real-time document editing with a small number of users. Real-time documents editing can become a slow and cumbersome if it is many users are editing the document at the same time. Use the real-time documents editing for simple tasks. Real-time documents editing is the best suited for simple tasks such as reviewing and editing documents. It is not as well suited for complex tasks such as the formatting documents or adding images or tables. Communicating with other users while you are editing the documents. Use the chat features in the video to communicate with others users while you are editing the documents. This will help you to avoid conflicts and ensure that everyone is on the same page. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your real-time document editing experience is successful. In last conclusion, real-time document editing is a valuable tool for businesses that need to collaborate on documents with remote teams with third parties. By using a real-time document editing in a cloud-based video, businesses can increase collaboration, reduce error, and improve communication. If you are looking for a way to improve the way that your team collaborates on document, I encourage you to consider using a real-time document editing in a cloud-based video. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and thank you again.